Making OpenSciEd your own is incredibly important for both you and your students. But it can be challenging to think about where and how to adapt the curriculum materials. So here's a customization model that includes 4 stages that you can use to think about how to adapt the curriculum for your classroom. First, we want to think about what our goal is with customizing and how we know that the goal is a need for our students. As teachers, we can think we know where our students need more support, or we can think we know what they are really curious about, but we're not always right. That's why the first stage of the model focuses on collecting student data to set a goal that is really about reaching more students. Student data can take on a variety of forms, like a survey, where you ask students about their experiences in class. For example, in one school, teachers gave their students a survey and learned that while the students felt that their teacher took their ideas seriously, they did not always feel like the other students in their class respected their ideas. This resulted in the teachers focusing on customizations that increase student voice and perspective. Or, in the second example, teachers in a different school asked students to complete a language portrait or a language timeline so they could learn more about their multilingual learners and how they could better support them with customizations they made to the curriculum. Once you have your target goal for the customizations, then you want to really dig into the curriculum to identify specific lessons or parts of lessons to adapt. You can't and don't need to customize everything. You'll get more impact by choosing the most meaningful moments and areas that best align with your goal. For example, one teacher customized Lesson 9 of Contact Forces for his multilingual learners because he was concerned about the language demands in the lesson. He revised the student sheet to add more scaffolding, purposefully assigned student groups with roles to increase collaboration, and introduced gestures as another way for students to communicate. Once you design your customization, you want to try it out with your students. You want to see how the changes actually unfold in your classroom. So this leads to stage 3, enact and collect student data. By trying it out and paying attention to what happens, you can better understand what works. Data, such as individual student writing, a group artifact, student self-reflection, exit ticket, or classroom video of a small group, can all inform your next steps. The last stage is to reflect on all of the work you just did. This can be an individual process or something you might want to do with colleagues at your school to get feedback. Consider your goal. Did the changes you made support that goal? Would you use the customization again? What might you change next time to make it even stronger? Does this give you ideas of how to customize other lessons? Customizing the OpenSciEd curriculum is an ongoing process to really make the curriculum your own. In the following videos and resources, we'll share more tools and ideas for how to think about customization for your classroom.